Welcome to my slide. Today we have another question. It said, in a school of 105 students, the girls are 25 more than the boys. It said, how many boys are in the school? Now we don't know the numbers of boys in the school. And how do you treat this kind of question? First, you need to understand what the question is actually talking about so that we'll be able to extract the elements from this question. So to do that, solution, we can say that the numbers of boys is not known. So our focal point here is the numbers of boys. So let us look for the numbers of boys. So we can represent the numbers of boys. We can say that let the numbers of boys be y. So that is what we use to represent the boys. Now, the question also stated that the girls are 25 more than the boys. So you can see that it said 25 more than the boys. So we can say that the girls 25 more than the boys can be written as y plus 25. So you can see that the girls are 25 more than the boys, but we don't know the value of our y, which is represented as boys. And again, if question further said that the school total number is 105. So for us to write this, because we've extracted the elements here, we can now say that y plus 25, that is the numbers of boys, which is represented as y, and 25 more than that of the boys, which is the girls, y plus 25 is equals to 105. Now we are done when we have something like this. So the next thing to do is that we move further. We can say y plus y is 2y plus 25 is equals to 105. Now further, we can say that 2y is equals to 105. Now when this plus 25 crosses the sign of equals to, it becomes minus. We can say 105 minus 25. Now 2y is equals to 105 minus 25 will give us 80. Now we're looking for the numbers of y, not 2y. So we can now say we divide both sides by 2. This is 2y divided by 2 is equals to 80 divided by 2. 2, we strike out 2 here. 2 into 8 is 4, and 2 into 0 is 0, which means that our y is equals to 40. Now this is our answer. Now you can see that the numbers of boys in the school, they are 40 because we now have our answer as 40. So we've been able to establish this. Hope you've learned something today. Please like and share our video. We see you in our next class. Thank you.